Oh, the Daddy Jazz Go with the Blues here. Glenn Peltier on camera. Paulo Orsini. Peltier should be down here. We need our taste tester here, Glenn. So anyway, we're going to do this is a dish we used to do at the Belvedere restaurant back in Dallas. It's Swiss Austrian. It's kind of like the sauce they call it is a Rahm Schnitzel. And we're going to do it with salmon. You do it with pork, chicken, beef, pork, chicken, veal. I'm going to bread it. Nice golden brown. Flip that over. I don't want that butter. We're going to make the sauce right in the skillet. White wine, careful. A little bit of Dijon. That white wine down a little bit with the Dijon. This is so good. Again, this one with over a little pasta. Maybe we'll do it over a little pasta. Bit of spaghettini blanched off. I'm just going to put this under the broiler for a minute. We'll be right back. All right, let's see what we have here now. Drain our pasta real good. We don't want that to dilute down our sauce. So I always mix it up a little bit. A lot of people say, purists, they want to toss the pasta with the sauce a little bit, but I kind of like it. I like it both ways. I'm going to pour this over the top. Something different with this one. Green onions in the sauce. Okay. Nova, hey Nova. Come on, you want to taste this? Come on over. Hey, this is Nova, been with us for how long?
2.5 years at this point.
Has it been 2.5 years?
A long time.
And bartender, waitress, bar back, she can do it all. So here you are. So, this is a salmon, and the sauce is kind of a Rahm Schnitzel. It's an Austrian type of sauce. That's one of my favorites. You put it over salmon, chicken, beef, veal. I know. Challenging. Nova. One more bite, Glenn.
There you go.
The rest will be yours and Paula's. I've been doing that a little bit more lately. It's instead of just flouring the chicken or the fish, go ahead and bread it. The sauce, the breading really absorbs that sauce real nicely. But then you guys go with the blues, Glenn. You'll be eating that a little bit later, huh?
We will.
Hey Jax, 181 Bay Street, beautiful downtown in London. Thank you for watching. We appreciate all your comments and good thoughts, good wishes. Glenn Peltier on camera. This is Daddy Jax, go with the blues. Peace.